So in this video, I will talk about how to revert if you are already committed into your local repository as well as pushed it to the central repository. So there are instances wherein you only realize that you want the older version after you actually committed the local repository changes and then also pushed it to the central repository. So let's see how you can do that through this demo. First, I will go to the branches and I will show you what I have in my file A history. So imagine that you want to get to this version wherein it says file A version 06 master, right? And I will copy this whole commit number. And I'm looking for that same commit in my command local repository. So I just run the git log command and I'm looking for that commit number in here. So this is the commit number 7341. So basically I want to revert to this particular version in my local as well as central repository. So I will just copy this number and put it on Notepad so that we know what's the commit number. So I paste it here and I will just put command prompt beside it so that we can just cross verify if we are looking at the right commit numbers here. So herein you can see and verify that both are the same commit numbers, and that is what we want to revert to in our local as well as central repository. And this is the content in our central repository, and in our local repository we have these changes. So I will run this command git reset hard and I will copy this commit number, the commit number where I want to revert to, and paste it here. And then I will run git clean command. And by the way, you can see where head is now pointing to. So it says head is now pointing at 734 F41. This is the starting of the commit number. And now I run git clean -f-d and I then push this -f, git push -f, and basically now you can see that we have reverted to the commit number we wanted to, and also we have pushed the commit number or those changes to the whatever we had in the commit number to the central repository. So yeah, see the changes here. So this is what we wanted, and see if you look at the history now, the resolved conflicts. This is now the commit number we had, and we had reverted to that particular change. I'll just paste this commit number again just to show you that it is the same commit we are referring to. So that is how you revert to the old commit number once you have already pushed the changes to the central repository. That this is how you revert to the old version of the commit. So that's it for this video.